Hello and welcome to the Merriam Library. My name is Lance and I'm a librarian at CSU Chico. This video is part of a series where we discuss research skills and resources that will help make your academic life a little bit easier. Everything I will talk about can be found on the Merriam Library website, library.csuchico.edu, which I will also link to in the description. In this video, I will introduce some of the features you can find in the Advanced Search tool. One of the things you might notice when you start an advanced search is the drop-down menu to the left of where you can type in keywords. This menu will bring up a list of pieces of information to search for. The default choice is any field, which will search for your keyword in every part of a catalog entry. However, there are more choices that are a lot more specific. You can search for items that have your keywords in the title, you can search for items that have the same keyword listed as their subject, and you can search for items by author. There are other fields as well, but in most cases, these are going to be the most useful search fields. This next advanced search tool is one that isn't visible. It's just something that you have to know about in order to use it. When searching, the engine will not look for your terms exactly as you put them in. It will search for related words, partial matches, or matches that have words in a different order. If you want to search for an exact word or phrase, all you need to do is put that word or phrase inside of quotation marks. I received different search results for dancing dogs when it was inside of quotation marks. If you have a precise idea of the topic you're searching for, using quotation marks is a great way to narrow the results. Another great tool for searching is called the wildcard. By including the asterisk symbol at the start of a search term, the search engine will look for all words that end in those letters. If you include the asterisk at the end of a search term, the search engine will look for all words that start in those letters. The wildcard is used to search for multiple forms of the same word quickly. For example, if I was doing research on politics in general, I would use the wildcard POLITIC*. This one term will show me results for politics, political, politician, and politicians. Being as specific as possible before applying the star to the term will yield you the best results. Now that you know how to use quotation marks, fields, and wildcards, you can search much more effectively. Thanks for watching, and maybe take a look at some of our other videos to learn more about how to use Merriam Library.